My name is Dragon Redbeard, and I'm in a different location, but we're still going to do speed train, total body, limited weight selection, still going to make it work.
Switch it up.
Even after 4 weeks of this, I still haven't quite decided which day creates the most amount of sweat. The total body and core cardio are in contention for the lead, but there is also leg day. I don't know. Please like, comment, or share if you want to continue to see me on this journey, or if you need some help and motivation. I will be here, and we've got flexibility and mobility tomorrow.